The relationship with the wife of Paul Eluard did not please Dali's father. When he found out that his son had written on a sacred heart, "Sometimes I spit with pleasure on the portrait of my mother," he banished him from the family. Dali interpreted the relationship with his father by using the myth of William Tell. With his paintings, he tried to free himself from the sense of guilt and from the fear of paternal punishment.
I produced a painting of myself as a child of some 8 months, with a raw chop over my head. With this, I tried to symbolically tempt my father to come and eat the chop instead of eating me.
Dali, however, did not only associate William Tell with his natural father, the notary from Figueres, but also with André Breton, the father figure of the Surrealists, with whom the relationship was becoming more and more distant.
I have dreamt about this new William Tell. It is Lenin. I want to paint him with 3-meter-long buttocks supported by crutches. Although to do this, they will have to expel me from the Surrealist group. He will have a little boy in his arms, and that will be me. But he will look at me with the eyes of a cannibal, and I will cry out frightened, "He wants to eat me!"